All right, today, so we're gonna remove this pile of stuff, and over here, he's got some stuff behind the shed. He has some other things, maybe these bricks. And he's got some stuff back here. So we're gonna see if anything's good, and we're gonna show you a video at the property. All right, guys, we're back here at the property. We're gonna take everything off the truck and trailer. Just wanted to show how full it is. Now we're gonna see if we got anything good from this job. All right, guys, we're back. We got everything off of the trailer. So the first thing are these 2 lawnmowers. They're not in the best condition, but I know a guy who will pay $25 each per lawnmower, no matter what condition. So there's 50 bucks right there. We got some of this conduit that we could use or resell. Next, we got this street sign, which I don't think anybody would buy, but I just got a property with a pond, so that west pond court is kind of cool. And then the next thing is a tall extension saw, so we can definitely use that or sell it. And then after that, we have this piping, which I'm not sure what that's worth, but I know we can use it somewhere. And also this piping, which is used for sprinkling systems. Next, we have, these are just shovel handles, but we always have shovels break and stuff like that, so we can definitely use those. And then the main thing we got were these bricks. So we have just some normal bricks here that we can find a use for, and then we have all these cinder blocks, which are anywhere from $2 to $3 at the store, and we got about 6, 7, 8 of those. And then we also have these landscaping bricks, which are also $2 to $3 a piece, and we got about 20 of those. So it's not a bad idea to just save these bricks, and we'll find a use for them eventually. The other thing we got were these 2 nice trash cans. So these are cool because you can just put your household trash in there. Don't have to worry about animals getting into it and stuff like that. And they're also very big, so you can fit a lot of trash in there. I don't know how much these go for. Probably anywhere from $20 to $40 each on those. So we also got a lot of scrap metal, so I'd say anywhere from $25 to $50 in scrap metal. So that was a good find as well. So yeah, that's basically all the good stuff we got from that job. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you next time.